gala kung walang taong pabaya. So work at the root, responsible pet ownership all through and through, and kapon, laging kapon. I've seen rescuers that they rescue, but they don't kapon. And they don't kapon before they adopt out. So there's a disconnect there. Parang they're just really working at the parang symptom of the problem, not the root of the problem. Alaga Bill has many facets. So isa doon is LGU involvement also in having TNVR, not just the rabies vaccination. And so every person with a pet should be actively thinking about kapon. Not just these communities, not just stray cats. May mga namita ko na, yung kapon para lang sa strays yan. It's like, where did the strays come from? Hindi naman sila basta sumulpot eh. Yung mga strays na yan yung mga inanak ng mga aso, pusa nyo, na hindi nyo pinakapon. So sabihin ng mga tao, hindi, kasi I've met people also na, hindi ko papakapon kasi may kumukuha naman ng puppies eh. May kumukuha naman ng kittens. Eh ako, hindi mo na nakita eh. Lumaki yung puppy, lumaki yung kitten, yun na yung napabayaan sa daan or dinapon ng mga irresponsible pet owners and then nanganak pa sila sa daan. That's the root of the problem.